Hello everyone, welcome back, and today I'm showing you my best tips for making the best background in Paint3d, and this is the version of Paint3d for Paint3d users, and I know that some of you guys might use Paint as well, so in the next part of the video, it will be the same video but for the Paint user. For today, we're going to start with Paint3d. So basically, this will be so easy. I'm just sharing you the best background tip to make in Paint3d, and this is just so simple and easy. It won't even take 1 minute, and it will be so colorful. And I'm really sure that you guys love it. I'm really loving in this background, and this tip when I mostly draws like landscapes, and this really helped me a lot. So today I want to share all the tips with you guys. And also, if you're the Paint user, don't miss it. Also, click that notification bell and subscribe button and also like button. Also, notification bell is very important because for the Paint user, like when I post a new video about how to make this same thing in Paint, because most of the thing might be basically the same thing, but there's some secrets between them. It is like not literally different, like some of the version are a little bit different over the Paint. So yeah, for the next video I'm sharing you how to do it in Paint, so wait for until when I post as well. So firstly, before I do anything, I would like to go to canvas and change my width. So I really recommend when you draw landscapes and everything, the best size is probably 987, and the height for it is probably 500. So this is the perfect size that you should use when you draw landscapes and everything. I think this is really the perfect size that I love to draw. But today we're not drawing landscapes. This is just for a background tutorial. So firstly, we will go to 2D shapes. So over here I got the line. Maybe you guys might be wondering what I am doing, but it would be really cool when you look at it very carefully. So now I'm gonna make like somewhat like a unicorn world. So I want to use some unicorn colors such as pink, purple, and blue. So let me try it. So over here I got the line. Now I don't really like the thickness of the line. I can change it. I think this size is perfect, but we will change many different colors. Basically, you will know when you watch to the end of this video. So now I got some colors, and for the unicorn, I think the pink is the perfect. For I will use the blue. So then I will use another line, but different color. So to make this background, you should need at least two colors, two different colors. And for me, I'm using many different colors as I love. So I got this really beautiful blue as well. I really love these blue. Like I'm really in love with these blue. And now I'm gonna change to another color. I got this indigo color. Yep, and I get to draw many another last line, and then I am done. So for this line, maybe you can even stretch like that if you don't like the position of the line. For now, I'm not really loving it. So yeah, I think that's okay. So now what we can do is I will change this to purple, and for the last one I will do it for the pink, and that's why I don't have to draw the pink line because it will be the last line. And then what you have to go is you have to go back to the brushes and click the fill color, and over here you got this blue here, and the indigo, the purple, and for the pink you can just color the last one. So then you can see it says like a rainbow and I'm really in love. Now you guys might be wondering, is it a background? No. So you have to wait until see it. You guys will be really surprised when you see it. We're gonna start to go to the canvas back, and over here I have changed it to 987, and you have to change it back to 1 this time. And you guys might be see this is really thin, and don't really worry, you don't have to worry because you have to change it back to 987 then. Okay, so yeah, you don't have to on this one, nothing. So yeah, this looks really cool, isn't it? Yeah, that's so amazing. I love this background. You can use any color. the most thing is important is to use the matching color. Like if you're drawing it, like it depends on the drawing of your landscapes, and this will be really helping you like for your landscapes. For example, if you're drawing like for the sunset, you have to use like yellow and blue, or, I mean yellow and orange. So these colors are the matching color of sunset. Also red maybe. And I use about the unicorns. I use some blue, purple, and pink. So these are the color of the mane of the unicorn. So how about if we do the night? Maybe we might use some indigo. Maybe we might even use some like star, maybe for white. Yeah, that's just the main color. You just have to do this and you will have this amazing background. But if you want to make this even more better, I have more tip, of course. You have to go to select. You have to select the image, the whole thing, select all. And then what I like to do is I like to select the last part over here. Here, I got like this part and I love it. Okay, so over here I'm gonna copy it. Wait, let me make this to be under first. So here, so I got something like this under. You can make it even more under to be over here. Okay, so I think this is enough size to be even a little bit under. Yep, probably. Yep, I'm gonna move a little bit. If it's still not the one that I want. So here, I got it. This is the one I want. Now, what I can do is I can basically move this. I'll move this to the app. You see? Now I changed more color. Now I will copy it and paste it. If you guys can see, if I paste it, you can see something like this, basically. And now I got the color, and I can make it to the app. Over here. Now I will select it back. There's only this little thing. And what I will do is I will make it rotate and flip it vertically. You guys can see it looks more makes sense, right? You can see some blue and pink at the top. So this is how you make it more even better and more colorful. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and wait until the next video about paint, using paint, the same thing as well. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Wait for the until next video. Thanks for watching and bye.